Legal research can be time-consuming, complex, and frustrating. But what if AI could make it faster and easier? Okay, on this channel today, I'm going to be diving into the ultimate battle between DeepSeek and ChatGPT, which we've all been using for our legal assistance. Which one is better? Which tool should you use for your law research or for your legal writing or for your self representation? That is, for those who are representing themselves in court because they're not able to afford a solicitor or they're not eligible for legal aid. So stay tuned because the results might surprise you. Yes. All right then. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new on this channel, thank you for joining me. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always joining me on this channel. My name is Adako. I'm a first-class law graduate. I'm the founder of ACN Legal Admin Services Limited. And I'm also the author of a late bloomer's law degree journey in the UK. It's on Amazon. The link is on my description. You can get the book on Amazon. It's just a book telling about, it's a book about my story, how I started law as a mature student, the challenges I faced, and also my victories. Yeah. So I'm also a Mackenzie friend. I have experience as a Mackenzie friend. I also have experience as a case officer. I've supported clients in court, especially clients who were not able to afford a solicitor because, of course, we all know how expensive, engaging a solicitor can be. And also for those who are not eligible for legal aid, as it is in the UK. So, and I also provide, services for administrative services for legal professionals, just to help them, to make their workload easy so that they can just focus on the bigger tasks. Yeah. I'm also very passionate about, mature students because I was once a mature student, because I know how difficult it is and how challenging it can be to go back to study as a mature student, especially mature students who want to go back to university to study law. And also this channel is just about for anyone who is interested in my type of content. So you would ask, why this topic? I know the struggle of finding accurate case law, of understanding complex legal jargon, and also, writing solid legal arguments. And there are lots of AI tools. AI powered tools like DeepSeek and ChatGPT are revolutionizing legal research. But you would ask, which one is actually better? Because all of a sudden we were all just, we woke up and we started hearing about DeepSeek. But we were all just used to ChatGPT. That's what we're just used to. But all of a sudden, DeepSeek has come into it. So you would ask, which one is actually better? Which one provides more accurate and relevant legal results? You would ask again, and most importantly, which one should you trust for your legal needs? And that is what this video is all about. In this video, I would cover one, the feature by feature comparison of DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Two, I will talk about the pros and cons of each tool for legal research, the case law analysis, and self-representation. I'll talk about the best AI tool for mature students, for legal professionals, and also for those who are representing themselves in courts because they're not able to afford a solicitor, like I explained earlier. And I hope that by the end of this video, you would know exactly which tool to use for your legal needs. So, but before we start with the comparison of the two AI tools. Let's talk about why AI powered legal tools are so important in today's world. Yes, the challenges of legal research and the assistance for it. It's a lot. So the traditional legal research is very time consuming. We all know that. Finding case law manually takes hours and hours and hours. Legal documents are full of complex language. Not everyone understands the legal terms, or not everyone will understand the legal terms in them. And most of all, hiring a solicitor is very expensive. Many people cannot afford a solicitor to help them with their cases. And for those who are representing themselves in court, so litigants and persons, the struggle, for lack of proper guidance, and which can lead to bad case, outcomes. AI tools like, DeepSeek and ChatGPT aim to fix these problems. They provide instant legal insights. They help to simplify complex legal terms. They help to summarize case law and statutes in seconds. They also help you to draft legal documents and arguments. So now let's see which one is better. I'm sure we're waiting for this section of the video. So DeepSeek and ChatGPT. The comparison feature between these two AI tools, they're both legal database. The legal database, uses AI powered, legal research and case law databases. General AI model are not built for law accuracy, and high accuracy for legal cases and statutes can provide legal concepts, but they may also lack precise case law. So case law summarizes and provides structured case breakdown. It generates general case explanation, but not always with citations, not always with citations for legal writing. They assist, draft case briefs, legal memos, and arguments. They can also generate legal content, but may require fact checking. It's good for law students. It also, because it helps with detailed legal research and case analysis. It is also good for general legal theory and essay writing. And for those who are representing themselves, it just helps you with legal strategy and helps you with precedent-based arguments. It is also good for basic legal knowledge, but it lacks specificity. So let's break down which one wins. So number one, legal research and case law analysis. On legal research and case law analysis, DeepSeek wins, and I'll tell you why. DeepSeek specializes in legal databases and provides real case law citations. So for example, it would summarize, legal precedents with accurate references. I also believe that DeepSeek is best for those who are self-representing themselves, litigants in person, and law students who need precise legal research. So it gives you a precise legal research. The limitations for ChatGPT is that it provides general explanations, but it lacks real-time case law updates. It does not have legal citations, which makes it unreliable for serious research. Number two is when it comes to legal writing and drafting. When it comes to legal drafting and writing, ChatGPT wins. It would draft legal memos, essays, contracts, and letters. It is better for general legal theory and analysis. It is great for students who are writing law school essays and assessments. The limitation for DeepSeek on this is that DeepSeek just focuses on more on research and case law analysis than writing assistance, right? I'm just taking them step by step. Then number 3, usability for self is also very good for the for those who represent themselves. So for no, so the what I'm trying to say is, for those who represent themselves, how they the AI tool that they can use that will be friendly to those who represent themselves. So between ChatGPT and DeepSeek, on usability for self, for those who represent themselves, DeepSeek wins. And I'll tell you why. It helps users find legal arguments based on real case law. It provides structured guidance for court representation. It is best for those who are handling, their family and immigration cases on their own, because they're not able to afford a solicitor, or they're not, eligible for legal aid. The limitation for ChatGPT is that it gives general advice but lacks specific case reference. It can sometimes hallucinate legal information, which can lead to errors, right? I'm trying to take them one after the other. And then number 4, when it comes to accuracy and reliability, DeepSeek wins. It wins because, number 1, it is designed specifically for law-related queries. It is less likely to generate misleading information. It ensures legal citation and factual correctness. The limitation for ChatGPT is that it is more prone to AI hallucinations. It needs cross-checking with official legal sources. So for me, I would say my final verdict is you would ask, which AI should you use? So I would say use DeepSeek if you need legal research with real case law and citations, if you need case law summaries and precedent-based arguments. If you're representing yourself, it is a very good tool to use, especially for your family and immigration matters. So that's for DeepSeek. And for ChatGPT, I would say it is good for legal writing assistance. So for essays, memos, contracts, it is good for general legal knowledge without needing exact case law. It is a study tool for students, very good for students. So if you're a law student, I would say you can use both. You can use both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. You can use DeepSeek for legal research, then add ChatGPT for writing and explanations. So my takeaway for this video is, I'd say DeepSeek is better for legal research and case law analysis, whereas ChatGPT is better for legal writing and general legal discussions. But combining both tools can just help you maximize your productivity, really. So what do you think? Tell me on the comment section. Have you tried using AI for your legal research? Which of the AI tools have you used? Which do you think is better? So let's talk about it in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about these AI tools. And if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe and turn on your notification button for anytime that I put out my video on legal and just tips that would help you navigate your legal matters, especially if you're self-representing yourself as a litigant in person, in all types of family law cases and immigration cases. So thank you so much for joining me on this channel. I hope that you'll be able to take away some tips on the differences of using these two giant AI tools that we have now. I know there are several other AI tools, but these are like the giant ones now, especially with the introduction of the DeepSeek. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this channel. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.